Hello friends, YouTube channel All Free Software. Today we will see top 10 best free software for audio mixer. Before we starting, please subscribe to the channel using subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notification for latest video. You can visit my website allfreesoftware.net. I am Guy. You are here because you want to mix your MP3 files with the less effort and good MP3 Joiner free software. Nowadays most of the people use MP3 Joiner free software to mix their different audio file into the single audio track. If you want to have little fun mixing your favorite music library, or you want to join different MP3 song into one single track, or you want to be the next DJ jockey, or you want to merge music file into one single and non-stop audio track for playing in the home party or anywhere, then you can use following top 10 best free software for audio mixing or audio joiner. Some of this free software you can join or cut music file using following audio mixing free software, and also some MP3 joiner allows you to apply some audio effects on your MP3 song using these free software. There is various type of MP3 joiner and cutter free software available on online. The best one is hard to find on the online. Here is some great free software for audio mixing or audio joiner. That audio mixing free software takes minimum effort to join MP3 files. You can combine or merge multiple MP3 songs and play them into a single track. Top 10 best free software MP3 joiner. 1. Audacity. Audacity is the powerful and audio editor free software. Audacity is the very popular audio mixer, editor, recorder, player, joiner free software. In this free software you can record live music as well as you can join different MP3 songs file into single track. In this free software there are many editing options for trimming music tracks, as well as you can add effect for your audio track. This free software is working on Windows, Linux as well as Mac OS. In the Audacity you can edit, cut, copy, and mix to MP3, IF, WAV, MP2, FLAC and also other file types. Audacity is open source audio editor as well as multi-purpose free software like you can creating your own audio files or record the new audio file. You can mix the audio file or combine different audio file that are play in one track. You can also remove noise from your audio file. You can using Audacity special effects on your audio file and many more things you can do it in this Audacity free software. Audacity is the best open source audio mixer in these days as well as it's very user friendly. In this free software available advanced features, tools and editing options, and also this free software very user friendly. This Audacity free software supported on Windows, Linux as well as Mac OS platforms. So you can download Audacity free software. 2. Mix. Mix is the open source and free software for mixing the audio files. This free software available built-in function for the mix the audio. Using this free software you can create different music track in live session. This free software doesn't need any external hardware for mixing audio files. Mix has a real-time effects to mixing or editing audio files. In the mix you can edit, cut, copy, and mix to MP3, M4A, AAC, WAV, OGG, FLAC and also other file types. Mix offers iTunes integration to promptly sync of multiple audio songs. You can do everything you need. However, you DJ with Mix free software. You can search more about Mix free software on their official websites. This Mix free software supported on Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Linux, Source Code and Fedora platforms. So you can download Mix free software. 3. Mixpad. Mixpad is the open source and free software for mix unlimited audio tracks, music files, voice tracks and sounds. Mixpad is free music file mixing. It easy to access your mixing and recording equipment. This Mixpad audio plugins support to add studio effect and instruments for your music track or audio tracks that you want listing again and again. There is one drawback for Mixpad: it doesn't have the studio console look to music files. Mixpad is free software that makes it easy to access your mixing and recording equipment. Using this free software you can create unlimited audio tracks, music files, soundtrack, voice track and also single or multiple tracks at the same time in Mixpad. It's having free music library as well as sound effects for your music track. The Mixpad free software using you can direct upload your audio tracks, MP3 files or soundtracks on Google Drive, Dropbox, and SoundCloud. Also you can record your own track and also you can upload it. This Mixpad free software supported on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Also it offers on Android, Kindle apps and iPad. Mixpad is very simple, frivolous and totally free software for users. So you can download Mixpad free software. 4. Ocean Audio. Ocean Audio is the new open source audio editor. This free software audio editor has a clean and colorful user-friendly interface. It is very easy to use. It is very simple, frivolous and total free software for users. There are various audio effects included in Ocean Audio free software like EQ, compression and reverb. This free software one thing is important: you can play your soundtrack or music track with the parameters effect and you can hear changes instantly with your music track. Here is one drawback for Ocean Audio free software is that it can only support single mono or single stereo files. It can't have a multi-track session and record several instruments in your studio to mix them. But it is awesome for editing stereo music files or mono audio files. This Ocean Audio free software supported on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. So you can download Ocean Audio free software. 5. MP3 Toolkit. MP3 Toolkit is free software for audio mixing or MP3 joiner. You can use this free software 6 separate ways like Ripper, Merger, Recorder, Converter, Tag Editor, Cutter etc. In this free software you can add multiple song files or audio tracks and which order do you want that order you can arrange multiple song files or audio tracks then export it as a single audio track that you enjoyed your music without any disturbance. In the MP3 Toolkit free software you can cut your audio file using Cutter. So take one single audio track, select start and end time which is you want to cut and then export the selected audio file. This MP3 Toolkit is open source free software, so you can download it using link. MP3 Toolkit you can Ripper, Merger, Recorder, Converter, Tag Editor, Cutter. Audio files with different formats such as AAC, MP3, WAV, FLAC, OGG, WMA and many more formats audio files. This MP3 Toolkit free software supported on Windows platforms. So you can download MP3 Toolkit free software. 6. MP3 Cutter Joiner free. MP3 Cutter Joiner free software. It helps to join as well as cut the audio file or MP3 files. If you do not want to join MP3 files as it is, you want to come up MP3 files your own mix or you want to particular parts of an audio tracks, then using this free software, you can add or concatenate your audio files. This free software is the perfect tool to join as well as cut the MP3 file, WAV files, and WMA files as well as it supports more than 30 audio files format. Using this free software you can create your own ringtone from your audio tracks or music files. It also allows using timeline for perfection. You can make a bigger music track from your numerous small audio clips with fade-in or fade-out effects on your audio track. Using this free software you can record its sound as well as you can process batch audio or MP3 files. This MP3 Cutter Joiner free software supported on Windows as well as Mac OS platforms. So you can download MP3 Cutter Joiner free software. 7. Free MP3 Cutter and Editor. Free MP3 Cutter and Editor is free software for edit and cutting your MP3 files or audio tracks. This free software is excellent for the basic audio file cutting and adjust sound level, but there is nothing more advanced features available. Using this free software you can cut the MP3 files, edit the MP3 files as well as mix the MP3 files. This is the very user-friendly free software that you can create your own soundtrack very simply. It has single-click volume control features, also easy to use this program. This free software only support MP3 and WAV formats audio files. There are no special sound effects as well as filters. If you want to cut music files, then this free software is best for you. Here is you can only select start point and end points and export it. Your audio file is ready for listen. The free MP3 Cutter and Editor free software is tremendously lightweight, easy for all users who wants to cut, edit and mix their audio files. Free MP3 Cutter and Editor free software supported on Windows platforms. So you download free MP3 Cutter and Editor free software. 8. MP-Direct Cut. MP-Direct Cut is another open source and free software for cut audio files as well as mixing music files. This free software is like Audacity. It has user-friendly and understandable interface, which makes this application easily accessible to users to improve their skill levels. Using this free software you can compress audio files that you can convert them to a PSM format and it take less space on your hard drive. MP-Direct Cut free software is easy to navigate program interface that you can easily work on it. Using this free software you can cut, add and edit audio or music files without encoding decoding audio files. There is editing effects in this free software like fade, pause detection, automatic file name and tag creation when splitting tracks, records, ID3 tag editing, batch processing, volume changes, auto division of tracks by time value and many. MP-Direct Cut is very fast process MP3 files. This free software only support MP3 and AAC formats audio files. It is a very fast and widespread audio editor and recorder for compressed MP3 files. MP-Direct Cut free software supported on Windows platforms. So you can download MP-Direct Cut free software. 9. WavePad. WavePad is the one of the best open source and free software for editing audio files. This free software is very easy to install. Using this free software, you can easily change your audio file pitch and speed. WavePad does not support multi-tracking audio files, so you can only edit stereo audio files or mono audio files. WavePad has best feature is batch processing for editing audio files. Using this free software you can apply reverb, EQ, compression or any effect to a number of audio files at one time. WavePad has two versions, one is free and second one is paid versions available for user. It has wide file format compatibility as well as it is easy to use. There are more features available in paid versions such as free cutter and merger software etc. This free software has largest audio effect and filter music library for a free program. This free software support MP3, WAV, Vox, WMA, GSM, AU, Real Audio, FLAC, AF, OGG and many more formats audio files. WavePad free software is supported on desktop as well as mobile platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, iPad, and Android. So you can download WavePad free software. 10. Free Audio Joiner. Free Audio Joiner is the open source and free software for joining the music file. It is a fast, easy and light audio mixing free software tool that you join different music files or audio tracks into a single large audio file. You can prepare a non-stop audio file using this free audio joiner free software. It has editing options so you can get output which you want it. It is the best MP3 mixing for PC to join multiple MP3 file with minimum effort. You can add unlimited music files in this free software. In this free audio joiner, with few clicks you can join any audio track without any special settings. It's automatically shut down after you have done your work with audio files. This free software supports all audio formats such as MP3, WAV, AAC, MP2, OGG, FLAC, M4A, MPA, RA, APE, RAM, AC3, AU and many more audio formats. Free Audio Joiner free software is supported on Windows platforms as well as Mac OS platform. So you can download Free Audio Joiner free software. These are the top 10 best free software for audio mixer in these days. There is so many audio mixer or audio mixer software or audio mixer free software or audio mixer digital or video to audio mixer or audio mixer USB or audio mixer with USB or audio mixer mini etc. All free software available on the online world. Following are the some audio mixer free software available on the online. MP3 SPLT, Cross DJ, Wondershare Filmora 9. A PowerSoft free online audio editor. WavePad audio editing software. Erath audio editor free. MediaCope. Free Merge MP3. MediaJoin. Shrinks audio joiner. Free audio joiner. Anvil Studio. Serato DJ Lite. Ultra Mixer. Zulu DJ. Ocean Audio. HearWave. Twisted Wave. Wavesaur. Acoustica Basic. Nero Wave Editor. WaveShop. Shrinks Audio Joiner. MediaJoin MP3 Cutter and Joiner Software. Meda MP3 Joiner MP3 Cutter and Joiner Software. Free Merge MP3. Merge MP3. Make It One. MP3 Album Maker. Helium Audio Joiner. MediaCrop MP3 Cutter and Joiner Software. Winnie Free Audio Cutter. Free More MP3 Joiner. WaveShop MP3 Cutter and Joiner Software. Wavesaur. MEF Free Music Editor etc. Audio Mixer Hardware. Nowadays live sound mixing is very popular. There is some audio mixer hardware available in the market. Also available on the online purchasing website that you can order it and get the audio mixer hardware and enjoy the live audio mixing as well as you can record your own audio using these audio mixer hardware. Following are the some online sites that you can purchase your audio mixer and enjoy it. Audio mixer on Amazon.com. Amazon bestsellers, best audio mixers and recording accessories. Live sound mixers, Sweetwater.com. Mixers, Guitar Center. Best mixers for podcasting, W/USB interface, 2018, Podcast Insights. How to choose an audio mixer, The Hub, Musician's Friend. Mixers, Musician's Friend. Mixing Console, Wikipedia. Audio mixers, Gear for Music. What does an audio mixer do? Kettner Creative Audio Visual. So you can get audio mixer hardware from these sites and enjoy the live audio mixing in the party. You can enjoy music with your family as well as with your friends without any disturbance. Conclusion. You can use both audio mixer free software as well as audio mixer hardware. In these days you can mix your audio file or music files or clips using free software or audio mixer hardware or online, or you can mix on your own Android as well as iOS mobile smartphones. There are available different apps on Android and iOS mobile smartphones. There is so many audio mixer or audio mixer software or audio mixer free software or audio mixer digital or video to audio mixer or audio mixer USB or audio mixer with USB or audio mixer mini etc. All free software available on the online world. So you can get the audio mixer for mixing your audio clips that you enjoy listening audio without any disturbance and make your day with your family as well as with your friends.